I'm fortunate enough to work at the greatest place in the world, People City Mission. We're actually one of the older institutions in the city, and over the last 106 years or so, we've helped over 1 million people that have come through our doors. There are so many people in need, and they're so much like you and I. They're just people that need a helping hand, and that's the great thing of working here. You get an opportunity to do just that.
I was in graduate school and I had really sad things in my life. I lost my mother along the way and a nephew, and graduate school kept me so busy that I really didn't have time to really grieve. Emotionally, I couldn't keep it together, which led to financial problems that culminated in losing my apartment and having to come here.
I started using drugs. Started with stuff doctor gave me. When the doctor stuff ran out, I went to street stuff. Got pretty bad into meth. I have 5 kids, and I lost them all. When they took my children from me, I was carried out on a stretcher in front of my children, and they watched it. They thought I was dead. The doctor told me I should have been dead.
I really was planning to live on the street. I had no idea, honestly, what the People City Mission would do. They prayed for me the first night, and at that point I realized that I've got a lot of friends, and I'm going to be okay. With the help I've gotten here, I've been able to actually see a future that I hadn't seen.
The people here have been amazing. They encourage you, they're helpful, they're full of information. Doors that have been closed to me for a very long time, by coming here and trusting in God that this is where He wanted me to be, doors have opened. I'm happy. I'm sober. I have my daughter. I get to be a part of my other children's life. I'm rebuilding a life that nobody understands what I came from or how bad it is. And this place gives me that chance.
We do so many things here in the city that folks just don't realize. We have our shelter, which we've always had, and that includes our family shelter where folks come in for 3 or 4 months. We've also got a 2-year transitional housing program for men where they actually stay with us and get their own apartments. We've got a program for young girls who are aging out of foster care. They can come spend almost a year with us. And then we have a medical clinic in the back, which last year saw almost 16,000 patient visits. We have our homeless prevention center downtown, in which we help 23,000 plus folks in the city with food, clothing, pots and pans, really whatever anybody gives us.
The different areas of the mission kind of touch different people in the community. The majority of the people that come here are just people in the community that just need a little bit of help. Everything you see here has been donated. None of it has been purchased. And without our donations, we would not be able to turn around and give it out to the people that really need it. People are just, I think, relieved and overwhelmed that they can get stuff for free here, and there's no strings attached, that you come and you can get the items that you need when you need them. We've given out almost 400,000 pounds of food this year. I think we've given out 32,000 pieces of clothing. All kinds of people come through here, and it's really great to be able to help them.
People are coming here just like you and me. They're at this moment in time down on their luck, or for whatever reason they've lost their health insurance or things are going on that brings them to us. And it's a good place for them to be. We have a clinical psychologist and about half dozen counselors that come in and they provide services to the community for free. Then we have the vision clinic. They can come in and they can have an eye exam just like they'd get at Lens Crafters. The dental clinic, they can come in here and we will extract a tooth for them, we'll do fillings for them. We have an orthopedic surgeon that comes in and will see patients for us. We have a neurologist, we have a podiatrist, we have chiropractors, and that's all free. What makes us unique is that our desire to serve Christ, to carry out His healing ministry to the community. Coming here gives them an opportunity to get their life back. I will bend over backwards to make sure that that happens.
One of the greatest things I've seen since I've been here is when people give to the People City Mission, how it can actually change their lives as well as the lives of the guests we give. Lincoln is a very giving community, and the People City Mission is one great place where they can really give and they can change lives literally, and save lives by just getting involved with us. We get about 95% of our resources from the public. And you know, people often say, well, why should I give? Giving is a powerful thing, more powerful than people know. But when you give, connect to the story, become part of it. And when you do, you'll find it changed your life too.